Hello, just got the wireless Falcon, and this is first unboxing. Bear with me here, I gotta film with one hand, so this could be a little difficult unboxing with just one hand, and getting it to look good too. Okay, so we have a nice little presentation with the Noble logo, and now we have the IEMs. Wow, these like stick out way far compared to, I have a Creative Outlier Air Gold, and these are what I was trying to go ahead and replace those with. So you can see the body, which would sit inside that curvature of the ear, is a bit bigger on the Outlier compared to the Falcon, which is a bit smaller in size, but it protrudes out farther than the Outlier does. Plus I see the tip shape on these, and most likely these are going to fit a lot nicer than these very uncomfortable ones. They didn't really do much to help keep them in my ears anyway, so not fun. So in addition to the wireless IEMs, you also have the charging case. Ooh, okay, that's neat. So you can see when it's charging, let me see if I can block some of the light here. Yeah, the whole logo on the side kind of glows through the plastic, which is really neat. So go ahead and put both of them in there. Both of them, I will say, already I can tell they fit in there no problem, and they're very stable when it comes to moving around inside the case and whatnot. So the charging port is up on the front, and I'm assuming the 4 lights are also involved with telling you how much charge the case has left. And so yeah, that's about it. I got the, oh wait, I forgot the little box of goodies in here. Ugh, one-handed unboxing is such a struggle. So now we have the accessories that come with it, and I am assuming this is going to be like a cable and ear tips, and that's pretty much it, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we got the USB-C charging cable, and then we also have, ooh, a nice, wow, that's actually kind of nice, like this little carry pouch. Very nice. You can go ahead and slide that case up inside this drawstring pouch, and this actually feels really nice. This really feels nice. So I think maybe, oh, yep, ear tips were still left inside. So you get a nice little foil baggie. It says C Pro horn-shaped tips. It enhances specific timbre, increases sound quality, yada yada yada. All wholly unsubstantiated claims, but we'll find out whether these fit well or not. I'll have some mild impressions coming up shortly of these IEMs, and then I will also go ahead and be answering any of your guys' questions.